like in economics, normally they say the higher the demand, when they demand a particular commodity high, what happens to the price increases. All right, yes, when the demand is high and the supply is short, price increase. But when the supply is now high and the demand is low, the price will decreases. The same thing that happens. So this time around, to take it fundamental, just check about a project. Okay, oh, what is this saying about it? What are they solving? Do they have use case? The use case means, is there a problem they are solving? Is there a way they are using this particular crypto for transaction or for payment or for bills, for houses, for housing, for any purchase or all those kind of things? They help, or are people really engaging it? If there is a particular crypto they are using for paying of school fees or buying cars like Tesla cars, for example, all those expensive cars, definitely that crypto cannot be small. Are we together right now? So those kind of things are things that you can look out for, okay? Or you can really reach out to anybody you know very cool in the crypto space that can give you. But if we don't give financial advices, you can reach out to me on what coins to buy for the coming bull market, or what coin do I keep that in the next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, I can make cool amount of money. There are coins that you can make 100 times or whatever you invest, 50 times, 200 times, 300 times, and like that, even 1,000 times. All right, but it depends on your analysis, your fundamental analysis, also your level of information. As I tell my students, the crypto space is guarded by two major things: information and knowledge. So that will really help you. Okay, that's about fundamentals, right? Just looking at some physical surrounding conditions surrounding particular cryptocurrencies and taking advantage and hopping in and making cool money from it. Okay, a friend was telling me recently that there was a cryptocurrency that somebody that made about that some people made about, is it 200x or something recently? Yeah, a crypto project about, is it 200x, 200x something. People make massive money. Somebody put $50 and the person got about 100 and something $1,000. I know it sounds somehow to you. Why? Because there was good information about it. So that's how we roll in the crypto space. So we move on. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about, okay, is how to make money in the crypto space, what we call crypto trading. I know you've heard about crypto trading before. They say, oh, trading is volatile, you will lose money, you will lose all your money, all those kind of stuff, okay? But the truth is that trading is one of the best ways, one of the very major ways, okay, to be earning every day in the crypto space. Crypto traders earn money continuously in the crypto space, okay? As you continue, when we get to the crypto trading part, the practical part, you will see some trades I've taken there, and you see some profits, on level of profit, and one or two things that I put in guidance. So crypto trading is very, very cool, and I've put this course together so that in the crypto trading part, it will give you very, very well explicit explanation where you don't have issues. And if you have issues anytime, you can feel free to reach out to me, okay, on WhatsApp or whichever way. Okay, let us know. If it's YouTube, just search for Zoman Wealth Hub. All right, on WhatsApp you can check up out anywhere. Just let us know, okay, and let us know that, oh, I had issues with this. And deliberately I'm going to put you through, especially for getting this course. That means you're already part of the family. Yeah, you're part of the Zoma family, and we can relate together very, very well. Okay, so that's it for buying. So airdrop. So when you talk about crypto trading, rather, right, you now look at, okay, we look at what we call the spot and the futures trading. The spot trading is the normal trading that we do in buying and hodling. Okay, just go to your exchange, right, or go to your decentralized exchange or your centralized exchange, put your USDT, which is a normal crypto, a stable coin, and you can buy BTC, you can buy any of those coins, BNB, and keep, or any coin you see that is very, very cool to buy. That's for spot, that's buying and holding. Then the other kind, all right, for the spot trading, you have your quantity. Even though the price reduces, your quantity of the coin still remains. So in the crypto space, you cannot just lose, except that coin is not really, it doesn't make sense, it doesn't have any use case. Okay, it doesn't have anything in solving, it doesn't have future tomorrow. If not, if you buy a coin, the quantity is still the same. If there is a change in price tomorrow, something that is $5 today can become $100. Something that is also $100 can become $5. It all depends on the market movement and your level of information and how market goes. Is that okay now? All right. So let me not go so much of there. All right, but just to know, because I want to talk about futures trading, I say let me just differentiate between futures and spot trading. Now, futures trading properly. Futures trading, all right, just is this with just taking partial positions. When I say, I will explain what I mean by partial position. It just means it's just a way of taking partial positions on cryptocurrencies. Okay, yeah, partial positions on cryptocurrencies and making profit from them. That's partial position on cryptocurrencies, all right, and making profit for them. You take advantage of You take partial position on the future price of cryptocurrency. It's a way of taking partial positions on the future prices of cryptocurrencies and making profit. So example now, I want to trade BTC and futures. I can buy BTC, all right, and buy it in future, all right. I can say, okay, BTC, I'm expecting BTC to go up, so I place a partial position of a buying position. I place a buying position. That's what we call it in the trading language that we use. We call it long. We long it. We take a long position. When we get to the practical part, you see the practicals. Okay, we take a long position. When we say long in the crypto space, is buy. When we say short, is sell. So when we talk a buying position, all right, then when the price begins to increase, you see that we begin to make money in dollars. Okay, you see $1 point something, $2 point something, $5 point something, $10, $15, and it's reading in percentage, 50%, 100%, 200%, 300%, 1000%, and cool. And you're going to be making, and that's just a way of making money. And if you say, okay, I'm taking a short position, that means I'm expecting the price to drop. So in the crypto space, you don't just make money only when price increases. You also make money when price goes down the other way. So as the price is coming down, okay, you can take, as you have predicted that it's going to come down, so you take a short position. So as the price is dropping, when other people are losing money, you are making money. Okay, yeah, you are making money. Cool, like that. You can make $10, $50, $100, $1000, cool, and you'll be working everything practically. When we get to the other part of the video of the course where you have your videos on trading, you will understand better. But first of all, I like you to learn this because you need to be professional in what you do, and that's why I'm taking my time to explain all these things to you. Is that okay? So that's about futures trading. Okay, you take long position. There are a lot of things in futures trading I will talk about, right? But one of the basic things that you need to understand about crypto is that you need to take your risk management very, very important. Okay, risk management is very important. I will talk specially on risk management after this audio. Okay, so then the next way to make money in the crypto space is what we call, meanwhile, the crypto space, in trading, in futures trading rather, there's an analysis we use basically that we call it the technical analysis. We use both technical and fundamental. Okay, yeah, we use both of them, but very importantly, technical analysis deals with future occurrences in a particular cryptocurrency, and using it to, that's studying I beg your pardon, studying historic experiences or historic happenings or occurrences in a particular cryptocurrencies, and using it to predict the future price. All right, studying the historical experiences, all right, or happenings around the cryptocurrency and using it to predict the future price. Example now, if in the last 24 hours a particular cryptocurrency has 10% increment, and now it is 5%, and now it has gone down, decrease again for another 10%. So if I set for the next 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and I see that the occurrence happen, it will go 10%, come back 10%, go up 10%, come down 10%. That means I can predict that, okay, even today I'm expecting this crypto to go up 10% even when it's down. So I can now take a long position. So when it increases and it's getting to that 10%, I take profit and I keep my money. Okay, so technical analysis will help you to know a lot of things. How did the price go last year, in the last 5 years? How is the trend going? Okay, uptrend and downtrend. How is the chart going? Okay, it's going up. It went up yesterday, it came down, so now it has gone up. It's likely to come down, so I can take a short position. All those kind of things. Okay, those are technical analysis, but you don't need to bother yourself with that, because technical analysis is a huge course on its own. So what I do for my students is that I give you cold crypto signals, trading signals that you trade with. Okay, just a little subscription per month, maybe like just little money. Okay, but when you are ready for trading and you are good to go, you let me know. I'll put you through. You can join the trading signal, either broadcast it or whatever, or broadcast it or just or group, and you are good to go, and you get your signal and you trade and make cool money, cool dollars on daily basis. That was okay now. So that's about futures trading. Okay, then the next way to making money in the crypto space is what we call, sorry, I'm rushing so that this thing will not be very long. I don't want to break it because this has to do with a particular topic. Okay, another way to making money in the crypto space is through what we call farming and staking and yield farming. Staking, you know what we call staking in bank? When they say somebody is taking money in fixed deposit, okay, just like fixed deposit account in the bank. Okay, you stake your money and you make money. Okay, staking is just a way of keeping your particular crypto, storing your particular crypto, and also gaining profit in that particular crypto or another crypto. Okay, when you stake your crypto, you can get money in that particular crypto or another crypto, they can say, okay, come and stake $1,000, and every day you'll be getting 2%, 3% of that $1,000 of that particular crypto. So you can stake USDT, you can stake BTC, or any other cryptocurrency. So if you are the one, you say, oh, me, I have money, but I don't want to be trading, I don't want to do all those things, I just want to stake. You can stake and you are making cool money, okay? But staking basically works for high amount of money, from like $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 upward. You make cool money. Even with small money, you can still stake and still make cool money. Is that okay now? So that's about staking. Meanwhile, yield farming is just a way of putting a particular crypto, like when we say yield farming, like agricultural farming, it's like sowing a seed and having the harvest. So it's the same thing like staking, but this time around, you can bring one crypto, you can stake USDT and harvest BTC or harvest Ethereum. Okay, so stake farming is not really particular, but staking can be particular. You can get the particular crypto, but farming, you can put one seed and harvest another one. Now, only cryptocurrency they happen where if you say if you farm rice and harvest beans through yield farming, okay, and you can do a lot of things, can do a lot of activities, and you can get other incentives or even get the same airdrop. But yield farming basically works for new cryptocurrencies that are coming up. So they can tell you, buy a particular crypto before this one, come and farm it, then this new crypto that is coming, you can now use it to give you bonus of it. Example, now BTC is already out. Maybe there's a name of a coin called Zoman. Okay, Zoman is a name of a coin, for example, and you can say, okay, come and stake. All right, when you say come and stake now your BTC to get Zoman, that means we are saying come and farm Zoman. So you bring your BTC to plant as a seed, all right, and you get Zoman as a profit. Meanwhile, in staking and yield farming, your capital is still intact. Okay, what you brought to farm, what you brought to keep or to stake to get another thing is still intact. It's not like you are going to give it out before you get the product. No, in agricultural farming, your seed dies right before it produces the produce. Okay, but in crypto farming, both your seed and the produce, they are safe. Okay, how do you now get the money? You get the money because as you put the money, you are helping the system, and they can use the money for anything part time, but you are helping to increase their volume. Okay, their volume, the money transacting, the money revolving them within that particular, or what we call the market cap. You can help to do that. Then at the end of the day, they give you some money from it. They tell you, thank you, take your capital, take your profit. Thank you so much. So that's about that. Other ways to making money in the crypto space is that you can make money in the crypto space by developing your own crypto project. Okay, or yes, you can develop your own crypto projects, like all these meme coins and other coins that have been, people develop them. You too can develop as you grow inside. Okay, I won't talk about that so much. You can also make money from the crypto space by teaching other people how to trade crypto, that like we do at Zoman Hub. You can train other people professionally and do other things, put courses out and people get. You can also do affiliate and do a lot of things. You can contact me personally for that and put it in that. Okay, then the other things, okay, other ways to making money in the crypto space, just by doing normal referrals. You can relate with us at Zoman Hub and you bring people to come and take our courses and you get your percentage. Cool, that's good affiliate, and a lot of other ways.